Did your employees get the message? All of them? Are you sure? Most organizations are one missed message away from a serious risk. They communicate, but they can't prove anyone saw it. Email goes unread, frontline workers stay out of the loop. And when messages don't get through, a safety protocol gets violated. An audit uncovers what you missed. A regulator asks questions you can't answer. That's when it stops being a communication problem and becomes a legal one. Pickcel helps make sure it doesn't come to this. One platform, 8 channels, digital screens, desktop alerts, screensavers, wallpapers, ticker, WhatsApp, SMS, Microsoft Teams. Every employee reached at the same time. No more wondering if the message got through. Just the confidence that every person in your organization, wherever they are, got what they needed to know. 94% message reach within 2 hours. Trusted by 9,000 plus organizations across 70 countries. Pickcel, the multi-channel employee communication platform. Book your demo at pickcel.com.